My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is yoga for complete beginners, full body stretch. All body weight, no weights or machines. Thanks for clicking on this video. We're going to make a massive difference in our health and fitness in about 10 minutes. Feel and look great now. All right, breathe in the nose, out the nose. Let's take the knees wide, start with a child's pose. Sounds like Dr. Seuss. Press it back, relax the shoulders. Let's take 4 breaths right here. Breathing in the nose, out the nose, and sway side to side. Feel and look better right now. Good, relax the shoulders, let the armpits sink down towards the mat. And then thread that left arm underneath. Stretch it out, draw the right shoulder back if you can. There's the sun, I think it's right there. Is that the sun? Okay. Good. Reach that arm through, stretching the shoulder, getting some nice rotation in the low back. Let's go to the other side. First, come up, shoulders back, sitting tall. Get that nice curve in the low back. And then, what am I doing? Other side. Thread the needle. 3 breaths. Beautiful. Walk it up again. Shoulders back, lifting tall. We're going to come into downward facing dog. Hands shoulder width, feet hip width. Modify with your knees down. Press it back. If you like, you could walk the legs. Modify as needed. Always use control. That's the mantra. Make sure you're working at your own level, and then your benefits will be all the greater. Let's do 4 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the down dog. 3 more breaths, sinking the heels down with the exhale. Huge stretch for your back, for the backs of the legs. And I'm wearing my new Christmas pants. I hope you enjoy them. That's the real reason for this video, of course. The new pants. All right, knees down. Sitting on the heels, lace the fingers together behind your mudra, open the chest. Let's take 3 breaths, drop the head back slightly. Relax the jaw, relax the face. Even out the shoulders. Okay, dolphin pose. We're taking it up a notch. You can do it with the knees down also. Forearms down, tuck the toes, lift up. You got a little more space now between your heels and the mat. Sink them down, relax the upper body. Let's do 5 breaths. This is a massive pose to build strength and flexibility in your shoulders, back, and legs. Breathe outward, breathe into your ribs, stretch them out. All right, now you have to realize I do slow breaths. Knees down. Let's bring it down onto our stomachs. Hands are on the shoulders. Cobra. Inhale, rise up, striking forward into the snow. Is that real snow or is that Hallmark snow? Hallmark Channel snow. If this was a Hallmark Channel, I would have a huge cup of coffee in my hand, walking through 70-degree weather. Hallmark Christmas movie, that is. All right, downward facing dog. Let's stretch it out. A little further, walk the legs. Add a little twist if you wish. These beginner sessions are great to start with, to review, and also to springboard into more challenging flows when you're ready. Don't worry, this channel has it all. All right, let's bring the right foot forward. Low lunge. We're going to add a twist to this in just a moment. First, fingers down. Stretch that back knee back. And then we lift up. Hands here or arms up over the head. Let's do 3 breaths. Very strong in that front leg. Now let's twist. Take the forearms here, a little twist this direction. You want more. Take the hand down, reach this arm up, or bring it to your low back. 5 breaths. Focus on sinking down into the leg, stretching that back leg, and then drawing this right shoulder back. So many beautiful things happening right now. You'll feel them. Good, nice, gentle twisting, always lengthening into the twist. You want maximum spinal decompression in your stretches. I thought there was someone behind me. Okay. Excellent. Bring the knees back. Before we go to the other side, let's come forward, lower down, giving you a little glimpse of some power yoga. I do a lot of those videos. Eventually, you might want to work up into those. Cobra. In due time. It's exciting, isn't it? Just putting the pieces together. And every day, you a little stronger, a little more flexible. All right, back to down dog. Stretch it out. Shake it out. I'm getting so excited. I'm saying like 3 words at once. Okay, now left foot forward. There's that low lunge. Stretch this back leg. And then can also take the arms up. 3 breaths. Find the balance. Always a great time to sharpen your focus. Find something to gaze upon. Breathing. All right, now the twist, you can have the arms down or hand on the mat. Up or twist. 5 delicious breaths. Delicious. Just excellent. Again, let's do that miniature vinyasa flow. Forward, down. You could take it slow. This is a modified hover. I'm just kind of sneaking that in there. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Baby cobra, forearms down, or cobra. Lift a little higher. Slide the hands back. Feel that pliability in the spine. It's very pliable. Okay, lower down. Arms to the sides. Inhale, lift up into the dart pose. Stretching the back, opening up the back, getting blood flow. 3 more breaths. Long lines. The crown of the head is extending forward. The toes are reaching back. Okay. Knees wide. Child's pose. Let's walk the hands over to the right, cross the left hand over, sink the armpits down. 3 breaths. There's so much to do, so much to see in this wonderful world of yoga and bodyweight fitness. This is your entryway into it. A lifetime spent learning and expanding and growing. Sounds like a Flintstones kids ad. Oh, other side, by the way. But you saw me do that? Okay. Hey. Long spine, decompression. Okay. Bring it up. Take the shoulders back and down. I tell you what, we're going to do 2 more poses here. Let's do the gate pose first. Feel free to mirror me. Take this leg out. Hand to the leg, and we reach up and over. Is my shirt riding up? We don't want that. None of that. 3 breaths. You're stretching down the side. If this bothers your knee, you can do it from a seated cross-legged position. Pull the belly button in on the exhales. I say that all the time, but it is so important. Keep the abdominals engaged. Back to the center. Other side, engage. All right, 2 more deep breaths in the nose, out the nose. The more we focus on the breathing, it's like working a muscle, working the lungs, working the breathing muscles of the abdominals and the diaphragm below the ribs. The more we breathe, the more we work them, become much more aware of that breath. All right, as promised, the pigeon. Everybody's top 3, I guess. Maybe top 4. Right leg forward, left leg, slide it back, hands down. Walk this foot as far forward as you're comfortable with. And then we graciously just use our body weight and gravity to smush it down, opening here and stretching back there. You can have the hands down or forearms to come all the way down. Let's do 5 savored breaths. This is like the Food Network. We savor it. We put all these ingredients together to form this wonderful flow. Woo, 1 more breath. No matter how many times I do the pigeon, it is always so good. It's always so beneficial. I always discover something new, some nuance that piques my interest, keeps me coming back for more. All right, down dog for just a moment. Shake it out. Shake it out. All right, left leg forward before we start some song. And as always, find that pose. The pose is there. You just create it. It's always there. We just access it. Okay. 5 breaths. I'm going to stay off the blacktop a little bit because I track it all over the house then. But it's nice. I can blame my dog Addie or my son. All right, finish up that breath. Finish up this beautiful meal. Oh, back. Let's do 1 more cobra. There's that back bend lift. Child's pose. Excellent, my friends. Coach Vigue, thanks so much for training with me. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and check this out. And to show my appreciation for your support, I want to give you a free 30-minute yoga video from my exclusive membership app. All you got to do is click the first link in the pinned comments below, and the video is all yours. I suggest doing that right now.